Hello everyone, good morning. Today we are going to learn the chapter Love That Chocolate, which is chapter number 4 of English literature. This is session 1 for this chapter. Before reading this chapter, I have some word meanings for you. That is snatch, means take away. Coastal lands, the land near sea or ocean. Delicate, which is soft. Sun means the sunlight, which is used in this chapter. Flavor, that means the taste. Now if we are talking about the chapter that we are going to read about the introduction to this chapter, the chocolate crop and process to get the chocolate. What is the introduction of the chapter? The chapter means the chocolate. What is chocolate? The chocolate is the brownish colored bar that we get, especially that is watering aroma thing, which is not very solid and good in taste. What is crop? Sorry, what is the chocolate crop? Where from it comes from? Before we move toward the process of the chocolate, we should study about the chocolate crop. The chocolate crop comes from the cacao tree, and this tree are especially comes from the some species like West Africa, West Indies, and South Americas. These are some areas which from which these are some countries from which we get the chocolate, and where it is grown, it is best grown in the coastal lands and chief producing and grown in the tropics and the coastal areas, coastal lands. Chief producing areas are the West Indies, West Africa, and South America. It is said that half of the chocolate or half of the cacao comes from West Africa. The trees are grown from seed. जो पौधे होते हैं वो एक बीज से आते हैं. The trees are grown from seeds and have to be raised carefully as they are very delicate. Delicate means वे बहुत नाजुक होते हैं. When young, जब वे छोटे होते हैं तो they need protected from the direct sunlight and direct wind. That is why they are being planted in the shade of other trees, and those trees are planted in such a way that it gives a protection from the direct wind also and act as the wind break. यानी हवा की गति को कम करने के लिए इन पेड़ों का इस्तेमाल भी किया जाता है. Cacao tree do not bear their full crop until they are about 12 to 15 years old. Means when the cacao tree become minimum 12 years or 15 years, 12 to 15 years, then it started production of the fruit, producing the fruit. When grown are plantation, they are pruned to 25 feet. Sorry. When these plants are grown or these cacao trees are planted, it could be raised up to 25 feet. But when it is in the forest, then it could be raised up to 50 feet, and its lifespan is about 60 years. Means its age is about 60 years. After that, it will die. A feature of this tree, यानी इस पेड़ की सबसे खास बात ये होती है कि the flowers grow on its trunk. ट्रंक पे इसके फूल आते हैं. जैसे कटहल के केसेस में क्या होता है कि तनों पे जिस तरीके से कटहल के तनों पे कटहल के फल आते हैं, ठीक उसी तरीके से ककाओ ट्रीज के भी जो फूल होते हैं, it comes on its trunk. Not as usual as mangoes or pomegranates, which flowers comes on its branches. दिस फ्लावर ग्रो थ्रू आउट द ईयर। ये जो फूल होते हैं पूरे साल निकलते हैं। When the fruit is ripe, it is said that कि जब ये फूल when जब फल ककाओ का जो फल है वो पक जाता है, it becomes reddish, large reddish brown pods. Pods means the the fruit which comes from the flower, that is pods. So it becomes large and reddish brown, यानी लगभग लाल और भूरे रंग का मिक्सचर ये बनता है। एंड हैंग ऑल ओवर द ट्रीज, पूरे पेड़ों पे ये होते हैं। इट टेक्स अबाउट 6 months फॉर द पॉट्स टू राइपन, और यहाँ तक ये पूरे लगभग 6 महीने लगते हैं इसको पकने में। द राइप पॉट्स आर 6 to 10 inches long. It is said when the pods are ripe, it becomes minimum 6 inches long to maximum 11 inches long. It means each pods means each fruit contains about 20 to 40 seeds, as in the maize. मक्के के जैसे दाने होते हैं इसमें, लेकिन अंतर ये होता है कि the cacao beans contains the seeds of size of almond, and that are about the size of almond, which I have told you earlier. There the cacao tree gives 2 harvests in a year, one large and one small, means the 6 when the cacao tree gives 2 harvests, that is one large means 11 inches long and the small one gets 6 inches long. The pods are harvested whenever they ripen. जब वे पक जाते हैं तब उन्हें तोड़ लिया जाता है। The picker uses the sharp knife to cut the ripe pods from the trees. कहता है कि बहुत ही शार्प छुरियों की इस्तेमाल की जाती है उसको काटने के लिए। The pods are collected into heaps and then split in open in order to remove the beans. At this stage, the beans are covered with thick white pulp. सफेद रंग के कवरिंग से ये ढका हुआ होता है और इसको एक हिप्स में इकट्ठा किया जाता है। एक तरीके से पूरा गंठल बनाया जाता है जिसको बाद में अलग अलग किया जाता है, बीन्स को छुरा लिया जाता है। They don't have the same mouth-watering flavor you discovered when you bite into the chocolate cookie. When we had the chocolate cookie, at that time, whatever the taste or aroma that the chocolate have, at this stage means the beans stage don't have that quality. A lot of processing is needed to get that marvelous chocolate taste. To get that chocolate taste, there is a long process, and that process is the process where we get the chocolate. सबसे पहले होता क्या है कि the pulp has to be removed from the beans. That pulp है, वो जो outer covering होता है white कलर की, उसको पहले remove करने के लिए उसको प्रोसेस किया जाता है। That bitter tasting seeds or the pulp is heated or placed in the hot sun. होता क्या है कि वो ऊपर का जो कवरिंग होता है, आउटर कवरिंग व्हाइट कलर का जो होता है, वो बहुत ही बिटर टेस्ट का होता है, इसलिए उसको या तो हीट किया जाता है या सूरज की रोशनी में छोड़ दी जाती है, जिससे वो हीट होकर के पिघलने लगता है। इट स्टार्ट ड्रेन फ्रॉम द बीन्स, बीन्स से वो निकलना शुरू करता है। आफ्टर दैट द बीन्स आर थॉरोली ड्राइड। उसके बाद उन बीजों को सुखाया जाता है। सुखाने के बाद when they turned a black chocolate color, जब वे ब्लैक चॉकलेट कलर में बदलते हैं, they are shipped to candy factories all over the world. पूरी दुनिया में इन्हें भेज दिया जाता है आगे की प्रोसेसिंग के लिए। The flavor from these beans is similar to the sweet smell of the chocolate in the candy bar. कहता है कि इस बीन्स से निकलने वाली जो फ्लेवर होता है, जो टेस्ट होता है, वह लगभग उस कैंडी बार की तरह होता है, चॉकलेट कैंडी बार की तरह होता है जो हमें बाजार में मिलती है, और जो स्वीट स्मेल होता है वो वही ठीक उसी तरीके का होता है। लेकिन अभी भी इसमें बहुत सारी चीजें ऐसी होती है जिसको रिमूव करना जरूरत होता है। However, the beans are not ready to eat yet. अभी तक ये बीन्स खाने के लिए नहीं तैयार हुए हैं, इसलिए इनमें अभी बहुत सारी प्रोसेस की जानी होती है। These are the things that that have some process of the chocolate. Now, how these chocolates being processed, we will read in the next session. Till then, live at home, be safe, and thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.